Meet code 12. Integer to Roman. 7 different symbols represent Roman numerals with the following variables: I1, V5, X10, L50, C100, D500, M1000. Roman numerals are formed by appending the conversions of decimal place values from highest to lowest, converting a decimal place value into a Roman numeral has the following rules. If the value does not start with 4 or 9, select a symbol of the maximal value that can be subtracted from the input. Okay, so that's all those. So I is 1, 5 is V. So IV is 4, and then 9 is IX, 1 and 10. Only the following forms are used: 4, 9, 40 is XL, 90 is XC, 400 is CD, and 900 is CM. Most 3 times. You cannot append more than 3, so there's no 5s. And our max number is 3,999. Okay. Oh. Start with the JavaScript. So I'm going to create an array because strings are immutable and we don't really want to be changing it like that for adding. So we can do something like this: while num does not equal 0, and just have a bunch of if statements. And then we can just push. And then we can just subtract. Else if. And then we work our way down. Greater than or equal 900. Which is CM. Mine equals 900. Let's just. Okay, can we. Okay. We have 900. We have 500. We have 400. We have 100. We have 90. 50. 40. 10. 9. 5. 4. And 1. Five, 9, 10, 40, 50, 90, 100, 400, 500, and then 900, so 500 is not S, it's D. And then 400 was CD. 100 is C. 90 was XC. XL. 50 was L. So XCL, XL. And 10 is X. V, IV, and I. Oh, and we need a return ands as a string. Oh. I clicked the wrong thing, I guess. Boom. Awesome. And then in Python, the other way you can do this, and you can create arrays based on the ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. VI 6, 7, 8, 9, and then tens. 10, 20, 30, and 40 was L. 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Huns. And then 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and thousands. Let's just type this out and makes it hundreds, thousands. We have 1, 2, 3. Okay. And we can return. So we can get the thousands position by dividing the number. We want the floor by 1,000. So if it's greater than 1,000, and we get 1, it'll represent the index. If it's less than 1,000, it'll be 0. So that's how we'll get those indexes. And then we concatenate our string like so. Hundreds. So to get the hundreds, we don't want the thousands, so we take the modulus of 1,000, which will leave us the hundreds. And then we can do floor division again for the hundreds. And then same for the tens, where we're gonna get the num mod 10 to get the tens digits. And then ones is just going to be num mod 10. And this is another way to do this problem. If I did it right, which it doesn't look. Oh. 100. Oops. Boom. Essentially, the same. Okay, well, same solution, but different solution, same result, is what I mean to say.